कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? वह सब कुछ जानता है। He knows everything. He knows everything. मुझे उससे बात नहीं करनी है। I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to talk to him. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. राम कब पढ़ता है? When does Ram study? When does Ram study? तुमने सीता को कब देखा? When did you see Sita? When did you see Sita? मैं कल आपको फ़ोन करूँगा। I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. इस बात को अपने तक ही रखना। Keep it up to yourself. Keep it up to yourself. मुझे कपड़े धोने हैं। I have to wash the clothes. I have to wash the clothes. आपका भाई कहाँ काम करता है? Where does your brother work? Where does your brother work? आपने ये पुस्तक कहाँ से ली? Where did you take this book from? Where did you take this book from? क्या झगड़ा है? What's the conflict? What's the conflict? उसे मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी। He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. मेरा भाई पढ़ रहा है। My brother is studying. My brother is studying. आखिर चल क्या रहा है? What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? आप मुझसे नाराज हैं क्या? Are you annoyed with me? Are you annoyed with me? तुम कब मिलोगे? When will you meet? When will you meet? वह तुम्हारे जैसे दिखती है। She looks like you. She looks like you. किसी से कुछ मत मांगना। Don't ask anything from anybody. Don't ask anything from anybody. सबसे अच्छी शॉट कौन सी है? Which shot is the best? Which shot is the best? तुमने मुझे जगाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? ऐसे बात नहीं है। It is nothing like that. It is nothing like that. मैं नहीं मानता। I don't agree. I don't agree. उसे बुखार है। He has fever. He has fever. हमारे पास 2 दुकानें हैं। We have 2 shops. We have 2 shops. जरा मैं तैयार हो लूँ। Let me get ready. Let me get ready. घबराने की बात नहीं है। Not to worry. Not to worry. तुम्हारे पास बहुत साड़ियाँ हैं। You have many sarees. You have many sarees. हमें खाना बनाना पड़ा था। We had to cook the food. We had to cook the food. रोशनी को गीत गाना पड़ा था। रोशनी had to sing a song. रोशनी had to sing a song. पिताजी को दिल्ली जाना पड़ा था। Father had to go to Delhi. फादर हैड टू गो टू दिल्ली। मैं भी साथ चलूं? मे आई कंपनी यू? मे आई अकम्पनी यू? इससे बेहतर कुछ हो नहीं सकता। Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. मैंने चैन की सांस ली। I sighed of relief. I sighed of relief. वो बहुत देर बाद घर आया था। He had come after a long. He had come after a long. तुम अब चैन की सांस ले सकते हो। Now you can sign of relief. Now you can sign of relief. तुम मुझे राम की याद दिलाते हो। You remind me of Ram. You remind me of Ram. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ देता हूँ। I always stand by you. I always stand by you. उसने मेरा साथ दिया था। He had stood by me. He had stood by me. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? क्या आप मेरी बात सुन रहे हो? Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? आजकल काम बहुत है। There is huge work pressure these days. There is huge work pressure these days. लड़के चाय पी रहे थे। The boys were taking tea. The boys were taking tea. आपसे ये उम्मीद नहीं थी। I didn't expect it from you. I didn't expect it from you. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? हम रास्ता भूल गए। We have lost our way. We have lost our way. मुझे किसी तरह पता चल गया। I somehow got to know about it. I somehow got to know about it. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ। I am saying something. I am saying something. अपने दांत अच्छी तरह साफ करो। Clean your teeth well. Clean your teeth well. अपने स्वास्थ्य पर ध्यान दो। Take care of your health. Take care of your health. क्या तुमने कुछ कहा? Did you say something? Did you say something? 10:05 हुए हैं। It is 10:05. It is 10:05. मेरी घड़ी तेज चल रही है। My watch is running fast. My watch is running fast. खुद के लिए तो हर कोई करता है। Obviously, everybody does for himself. Obviously, everybody does for himself. तुम मुझसे नाराज नहीं होना। You are not angry with me, are you? You are not angry with me, are you? तुम कहाँ कुछ कहती हो? You hardly ever speak. You hardly ever speak. कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. अच्छा समय आएगा। बेटर टाइम विल कम, बेटर टाइम विल कम। मैं तुम्हें जाने नहीं दूंगा। आई विल नॉट लेट यू गो, आई विल नॉट लेट यू गो। मन तो किया उसे एक थप्पड़ लगा दूं। आई फेल्ट लाइक स्लैपिंग हिम, आई फेल्ट लाइक स्लैपिंग हिम। तुमने किसका नाम लिया? Whose name did you take? Whose name did you take? दिन प्रतिदिन गर्मी बढ़ रही है। It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting hotter day by day. आप बिल्कुल समय पर आए हैं। You are just in time.